Sainatha Sadguru Jai Jai twice.
Twice, yes.
Guru Maharaj Guru Jai Jai.
Guru Maharaj Guru Jai Jai.
Mere ga pa pa ma re re ga re sa.
Ni re ga pa ma re 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 ga re sa.
Mere ga pa pa ma.
Ni re ga pa pa ma.
Re re ga re sa.
Re re ga re sa.
Sainatha San.
Ni re ga pa pa ma re re ga re sa.
Sainatha San. Guru Jai. Don't sing along with me. Sainatha San. Guru Jai Jai.
Sainatha Sadguru Jai Jai.
So here when we come to the Pamasat, it is a different Madhyama than the Shuddha Madhyama. At some places you will have Shuddha Madhyama, at some places you will have Prati Madhyama. So Shuddha Madhyama is Ma1, Prati Madhyama is Ma2. So Pama Ga Ga Ma Ga. There will be some places where you will have both the Madhyamas within a single phrase, musical phrase. That is because this is Yamuna Kalyani and it is not Necha Kalyani. Necha Kalyani will have only Prati Madhyama. Here you will have both the Madhyamas. That is called a Mishra Raga or a Janya Raga. Mishra means it mixes two varieties of the same note called Madhyama. So, either analyze pannalena, you will play the wrong Madhyama at the wrong places. The tune will not sound similar to Yamuna Kalyani. Pama ga ga ma ga. That differentiates the whole scale, or the scale வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது it will be shown as re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ma ga re sa. That is added. Okay, ga ma ga. Here the Shuddha Madhyama comes. Shuddha Madhyama comes means it is a Bhashanga Janya Raga. We don't say Upanga Raga because Bhashanga is one foreign note which is not pertaining to Mecha Kalyani is coming here as a different note. Okay, different frequency la irukra adhe Madhyama, but it is in a different frequency. Pama ga, wait, Pama ga ga ma ga. So Pama, it will have a higher sound. Ga ma ga. So if you play the wrong note Madhyama, rendu Madhyamam thane if you play it, interchange it, the Pama ga ga ma ga, it will differently. So நம்ம பாடுறதுக்கும் இதுக்கும், that is why and the consistency இருக்கணும்னா you should know which Madhyama comes where. When you learn Mishra Ragas, when you learn Janya Ragas, this one aspect of Upanga and Bhashanga. Upanga means it will take the same notes but it will not have some of the notes. And the Madhuri. But here it takes all the notes of Mecha Kalyani, which is the 65th Mela. Takes all the notes, but it takes one more foreign note, additional. In Hindustani genre, they call it Mishra Ragas. It gives a different shade or a texture for the same melody, right? Pama ga ga ma ga. This is the signature tune for Yamuna Kalyani. So, and what was your question now?
இல்ல நீங்க இந்த திருப்பியும் இந்த உப்பாங்க ராகம் அதோட அது